Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday, and it's March 5th. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. Today we got kind of a light economic day. We got basically just the service industry, the two indexes. The first one we'll start off with is the market services PMI for the month of February. So on these indexes, anything above 50 is kind of expanding, which is obviously good news. Anything below starts contraction. So we had a 59.9 back in January, and then it dropped down to 55.9 in the month of February. Now, ISM 90 manufacturing, also ISM services for the month of February. So we had 59.9 in the month of January. 58.9 is the forecast, and it dipped to 59.9. So it only dropped 0.4% for the month of February from ISM, which basically, it's only nearly 0.5% compared to 4 points on the PMI here. So let's kind of jump ahead here. This week, well, we'll kind of touch on this one second. This week, basically, we're going to see a lot of jobs numbers. So we'll have the ADP coming out Wednesday. We'll get the weekly jobless claims. And then the BLS will be giving their jobs reports on Friday. So those will be the big reports coming out this week here. To move ahead here, the stock market it was down, but as I kind of started doing this, actually it turned positive. It's starting to shrug off some of the earlier concerns, and earlier concerns are on two things. We got the elections in Italy that happened, and basically they create a little uncertainty over there. So the markets aren't quite liking that because you got the fourth largest economy in Europe, and with some political uncertainty, that's the one thing investors don't like. They don't like uncertainty. Also, with the tariffs released last week on the steel and aluminum, there are concerns that perhaps it might affect our multinational corporations with their products and retaliation, or it might create a global trade war. But today it seems like it's kind of shrugged a little bit. Earlier concerns are being shrugged off as stocks have kind of turned more positive after I've already kind of created this presentation. So sorry about that. Jump right into it. Here's the bond market. Bond market was up earlier, as you can see. We're currently down for the day, but we're up about 2 basis points from where we left off on Friday. So so there's no change in pricing today. Now, East Coast, as it opened, may have had better pricing, but since it's probably getting a little worse in pricing as we get here to the West Coast here. And as you can see, we're still below this 25-day moving average right here. On the other hand, with the 25-day moving average, it's creating a support for the 10-year Treasury here, and it's about near unchanged at about 2.85, whereas earlier it dropped and touched out the 2.83 level here. But it's back at the 2.85, and as you can see, it's a floor of support where it's kind of keeping it above that. All right, so again, interest rates, no change from Friday's numbers. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. But if you guys want to come over to Twitter, you can find me at Mike Bjork, and I do post different information that comes out on the markets throughout the day. So if you want to get that and keep up to date, just come over to Twitter and follow me. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching, and look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.